Hey y'all, so I'm just gonna jump right into the video. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna teach y'all how to customize. Well, not how to, how I customize my lace frontals. So let me take the girl off the head real quick. Okay. So this is the lace. I'm putting the pin in the back and then 2 on the sides. Actually, and then try to make sure that when you're placing the frontal on the head that it's like even. So how, I'm trying to explain it. The way that you're gonna wear your wig, pretty much that's the way that you need to put the frontal on too. So make sure that it's like even on both sides. As you can see, looking at the hair, this is the hairline. Like, it's not customized at all. You don't want your hairline to be the thick around the perimeter. It's supposed to be thin and natural, so we're gonna turn her into such, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to bleach the knots, etc, etc. All right.
Unfortunately, my camera cut out at this part, but basically what I did is the same thing that I'm going to show in the video. Parting the hair all the way down as if, say, you're going to do small braids, and then I'm just plucking along the part. So the concept is to take about 1 inch width of hair, and you're going to part the hair down the scalp or down the wig head, and then pluck along that part as you see me doing right here. And you're just going to continue to do this throughout the whole head. It's also important to make sure that when you're plucking the hair up and out and not plucking like just breaking the hair off.
Straight line, that's what you're going to try to do, and alternating sides that you're plucking from for the part. So the closer that you're getting towards the end of the frontal, you're not plucking as much, because for one, not that many people wear their hair in parts like this where you only have this much hair down, but if you do, it's still important to make sure that you have the part straight. But as you can see, I didn't even pluck anything yet, and it's pretty, you can see the wig head, whereas in the middle part you couldn't really see the wig head at all. The lower you get down, you want to pluck less. So we're not plucking as much down here, but you still want to make sure that you're not skipping this step. Okay, don't do that. So I finished plucking all the way down. As you can see, let me turn her around so you can kind of see like the little lines that are parted or whatnot. This is how much hair we've plucked so far. So now into the hairline, just like to spray it a little bit. You just want the hair to be as thin as possible. So what you can do is take like individual pieces like this out. Like this. And then we're just gonna start plucking downwards. And then just remember not to over pluck, but we're just gonna keep plucking downwards, so that we can get a more realistic hairline, plucking up and out. And you kind of want it to be thin, because typically at the perimeter of people's hairlines, on natural hair, your hair's thinner and thicker and towards the back. So that's this side. Okay. So basically I just did the same thing all the way down to thin out the hairline even more. So instead of plucking like a specific part this way, we're gonna go this way. But I'm not plucking a specific part, I'm just plucking all the hair that is downwards, and we're just plucking that out to make it look more realistic. And I'm not gonna go all the way to the back. I'm just do the first, maybe the first inch, okay? And we're not at an inch yet, so. There you go. As you can see, she's starting to look a little bit more natural. It's more than, I think in this area I can go in and do some more, but as you can see right here, that's how you want your hairline to be. Straight scalp, okay? That's how we want it to be. Now it's not bleached or anything yet, so I'm just gonna go in some more in this area and then right here. About an inch or so doing that, so I'm gonna turn her around so y'all can see. This is how she looks, and actually I think that I'm gonna go back in a little more on this side, because as you can see, it's not that much scalp being shown versus this side. So we're just gonna go back in a little bit more. This is how she looks on both sides. That's how she looks, and this is before any bleaching or anything like that.